Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can switch genders on Dress to Impress. So right now I'm a girl and I want to be a man, so I'm just going to go here. So it's like there's this like podium, I don't know what it's called. It's not a podium, it's like a stage, I don't know. And you're just going to select the like gender. And as you can see, it changes, but there's not a lot of options for men. There's only this one, and there's some in the VIP area as well. And again, the makeup as well as the hairstyle will vary. Here, but you can still use the like feminine makeup for it, and you can also use the masculine one as well. To change it back, you're just going to go back to the place here and select it again, like so. Some outfits you can put on and some outfits you can't put on. Like this one, you can put the shoes here and then the hat as well. Like as you can see, this one, these ones can't be put on. This one can actually. I just knew that, which is revolutionary. But anyways, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!